In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Zoho Cliq. Now, we all know that keeping our passwords updated and secure is essential, whether for personal accounts or business platforms like Zoho Cliq. Updating your password regularly is a simple step that can go a long way in protecting your data. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the top right corner of your Zoho Cliq interface. You'll find your profile icon there, and when you click on it, you'll get a drop-down menu. From this menu, you need to select My Zoho Account. This action will take you to another window, specifically your Zoho Accounts page. It's a quick redirect, so don't worry if it takes a moment to load. This is just Zoho securely transitioning you to the right place. Once you're on the Zoho Accounts page, it's time to navigate to the security settings. Look to the left side of the page, and you'll spot a tab labeled Security. Go ahead and click on this tab. Now, the Security section is designed to help you manage everything related to your account's safety. In there, you'll find various options to enhance your security, but for today, our focus is on changing your password. Under the security options, you'll see the Change Password section. It's pretty straightforward here. Click on the Change Password option, and a new panel will appear on your screen where you can enter your current password. Remember to type this in carefully. Accuracy is key here. After entering your current password, you'll be prompted to input your new preferred password. Good password practices suggest using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure your new password is something that you can remember but is not easily guessed. Once you've entered the new password, you'll have to confirm it by typing it again in the next field. Double-check both entries to ensure they match, because a mismatch will require you to start over. Finally, once you are satisfied with your entries, go ahead and click on the Change Password button once more. This confirms your new password choice and updates it across the Zoho Cliq platform. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your password on Zoho Cliq. It's a simple process, but an essential one in maintaining your account's security. Remember, it's a good habit to update your passwords regularly and keep track of them safely. Thank you for watching, and ensure all your digital spaces remain secure.